U.S. Defense Secretary Jim Mattis, often said to be a stabilizing force in President Donald Trump's cabinet, has submitted his resignation. Citing policy differences, Mattis said in his resignation letter that it is right for me to step down so Trump can have a defense chief who views the line more closely with the president's. But this comes one day after Trump rebuffed top advisors and decided to pull all U.S. troops out of Syria, a decision that upended American policy in the region. Trump tweeted about Mattis resign the same day and said he would nominate a successor shortly. Mattis is due to leave his position at the end of February.